Hey, are you looking the best Valentine's gift? You will happy to see this video. Watch carefully till the end and don't miss to hit the subscribe button. Item: Canovia Beautiful Rose in Glass Preserved, Eternal Flower Valentine's Special Romantic Gift, Birthday Party, Card Decoration KY100. Materials: made of preserved flower with high-quality glass cover and solid wood base. Sizes: diameter approx 10 cm, height approx 13 cm. Package contains 1 piece of choosed style. Styles: 4 styles are available as pictures show. Usages: this is an absolutely sweet gift for birthday, Valentine's Day, Christmas, New Year and so on. 60-minute crystal glass diamond sand clock timer, Valentine's Day decorative 1-hour, hourglass craft gift for home table decoration, get it ready for the special day. Also applies to the mall decoration, photography, props, luxury hotels, coffee shops and pools and leisure centers so on. 15 cm blue-pink preserved fresh rose micro landscape glass flowers. Usages: this is an absolutely sweet gift for birthday, Valentine's Day, Christmas, New Year and so on. To know more, check the link on description box.